as Major Dickinson lights those afterburners and climbs straight into the vertical. Ladies and gentlemen,
oh yeah,
the Raptor's slow speed pass.
To me.
This maneuver is a double that's separated by an inverted duck, followed by a pitch to line up in preparation for the heritage flight. This will be another great opportunity to capture the Raptor on your camera during our demonstration. Ladies and gentlemen, named after the legendary Bob Hoover, the Raptors Hoover pitch.
Oh, wow.
Guaranteeing our joint forces the freedom to attack, freedom from attack, and freedom to maneuver. However, our potential adversaries have not sat idly by. Instead, they have developed increasingly capable fighter aircraft and surface-to-air missile systems, potentially putting our airmen in harm's way. The 5th generation Raptor is the answer. With its stealth, super cruise, precision weapons engagement, and fully integrated avionics, the F22 will ensure our ability to continue to provide air dominance worldwide for the United States and our allies.
That's amazing.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to take a moment to describe the unique history of what you are about to watch. In 1997, the leaders of Air Combat Command assembled a select group of retired military and civilian performers to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the United States Air Force. In 2010, the Air Force Heritage Flight Foundation joined with the United States Air Force to keep this platform from. From this gathering was born the Heritage Flag, a unique visual representation of Air Force history from the days of the Army Air Corps to the present. What started out as a one-time event has grown in popularity and demand, and now heritage flights are performed at air shows and special events in the United States and around the world. Ladies and gentlemen, sadly, we've experienced a minor situation with the aircraft. Major Dickinson is going to momentarily delay the Heritage flight as he attempts to resolve the situation. As anyone who is familiar with aviation knows, safety is paramount to the survival of our aircraft and the pilots who fly them. As soon as we know, we'll advise you as to whether Major Dickinson will be able to continue the Heritage flight.